You are not reading. You are merely consuming data like a zombie feeding on digital scraps. You spend your nights buried in books, highlighting paragraphs, and collecting intellectual trophies. Yet, when you look in the mirror, you are the same person you were 1 year ago. Why? Because you have mistaken the weight of the book for the weight of your wisdom. You are a library with no readers, a graveyard of forgotten lessons. And if you close this video now, you remain trapped in that comfortable cycle. You are not reading, you are... Let me take you to a private study. It is quiet. Bill Gates is not reading in the way you do. He is not trying to finish the chapter. He is in a war. He treats every page as an adversarial witness. He enters the text to challenge the author, to pressure test every idea until it either breaks or becomes a part of his foundation. You read for comfort. You read to feel like you are doing something. He reads to kill his previous version. He does not seek agreement. He seeks the one truth that can dismantle his current worldview. Most people read to find themselves, but the elite read to lose themselves. You feel that discomfort? That is the feeling of your old habits dying. But to replace them, you need a system, not just inspiration. This is why those who understand the raw mechanics of success keep coming back to this channel. They know that knowledge without a structure is just noise. If you are ready to stop being a spectator and start being an architect of your own intellect, join our inner circle. Hit subscribe. Let us keep tearing down the illusions together. Here is the brutal truth. The world does not care how many books you have finished. It cares about what you have actually destroyed. Your bad habits, your excuses, your shallow thinking. When you approach a book now, do not ask, "What does this say?" Ask, "What does this force me to change about my life tomorrow?" If the book does not scare you, you are not reading it right. You are just comforting your ego. The secret is not in the pages. The secret is in the transformation you refuse to undergo because you are too busy pretending to learn. So, tell me this. What is the one book you have read that actually forced you to change a part of your personality you hated? Or are you still just collecting titles to feel important? Go to the comments, prove your growth, or admit your stagnation. Because, ultimately, you are not reading. You are merely consuming data like a zombie, feeding on digital scraps.